Ka kinhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla nen kesi kala menjur ya kajeng Tyrwa ban penbiang ya kala jaka theh umphniang ban penkhut ya pala lai pu pra klur tyngka ka badang sa ling bagi installment. Haba keren halor kani hadin ke jingelang ke kinhun Menteri rang ba ke Jylla ukon ret ke sang ma ulaong bagi don ki jaka theh umphniang ki bompat siew dep ya ka jing siew basa teng namar ka jinglong jingman ka pisa tyngka. Bat kumta ka sup joki kala nanglang. Usang maula ong baki siew installment na kabanta ki tu ki jaka theh umphniang ki bompat siew dep ya ka jing siew kan ya per kat kum ka jing siew badang sa ka jongki
program with the different petrol pumps where we are freezing the interest amount and the principal amount and then dividing them into equal installments. Depending on the amount that is due, the installments will differ. But the idea being that we are giving an option to the petrol pumps to be able to repay the amounts of the tax that they're supposed to pay, which they have not, some of them, amounting to close to 35 crores. And with interest, it's about 3 crores more. So about 38 crores is due.
Ka public health engineer